How's everybody doing? Let's walk through how to get onto Benchmark Universe. First, let's make sure we're on cvesd.org. And you want to make sure the home page fully pops up, and you want to scroll down to Students, the orange button. And under the heading Students, you want to click on Office 365. Please do not click on these apps right here. They're kind of like shortcuts, and a lot of times they don't work correctly. I'm going to switch to a different account just so that you can see what I see as a student. Then we're going to enter our password. Click sign in. And it should say your student name here. Good morning, Maya, or whoever you are. And then we are going to go to all apps. Sometimes the apps pop up here, and sometimes they don't. So just click on all apps, and then again we're going to scroll down and find Benchmark Universe. And these apps are in ABC order, so here's Benchmark Universe. And then we should have a pop-up that says signing in, and your name should be here in the center. We're going to go over to the library button and click this. And then we want to make sure we go under these headings. So first of all, go to library on the left side, click on the down arrow and go to Benchmark Advanced. Select your grade. We're in second grade, grade 2, and we're going to start with unit 5. So click on 5, and then the ebook, electronic book, pops up here. So we want to make sure we click on this one that says Unit 5, Solving Problems Through Technology. It's going to ask if you want to create a customization. It's okay if you put no. And then right above there's a blue white play button. So we can go ahead and click on that button.
Benchmark Education Company proudly presents Texts for Close Reading. Follow along as I read. When you hear this sound, turn the page. Solving problems through technology.
So when we hear that little chime, the little bells, we go down to the
Technology.
bottom right side, bottom right corner, and click on this little page. And then you're able to click the play button again. So we'll do this really quick.
Student objectives. I will be able to read and analyze informational texts about inventions and inventors.
And then you could also continue with the play button, and it'll go over tips for annotation. We all know how to annotate. It's just a reminder here. And then when you're done, go to the bottom right corner, click on the page. Up top to the play button again.
Essential question. Where do ideas for inventions come from?
Go ahead and turn the page, click, and there's your stories: Anna Connolly, Inventor, and Crazy Boys. You can click the play button, it will read it for you.
Shared reads 1 and 2. Remember to annotate as you read.
Anna Connolly, inventor. Over 100 years ago, fire was a danger for people in city apartment buildings. When fire swept through a building, People on the upper floors were trapped.
Okay. Or you could read it yourself. And then if you go to the right, there's that little tool here you click on. You could actually grab a highlighter and choose the size of the highlighter. Sometimes if you select this one, it's too big. I'll go with the small one right now. You can select your highlighter color. Let's say I want green. And then I can scroll over, click. Like so. If you don't like it, you can click on the icon, trash can there. Or you can go back to tools and grab the eraser and go over what you highlighted. If you want to add text, go to the blue white button with the letter T for text. Click on where you want to add some text and start typing. Again, if you don't like it, click on the trash can, but you could always add comments, questions, and whatnot, just like we do in class. Okay, I hope this helps you out. So let's give it a try, Benchmark Universe.